Welcome, class. We're on section 10.7, and we're going to talk a little bit about the binomial theorem for calculating these probability problems. Number 2 on the green worksheet. Find each of the following probabilities for a family of 6 children. Assume that having a boy and having a girl are equally likely. So what we need to do here is figure out, first of all, the probability of having a girl. And it says they're equally likely, girl versus boy, so that's 0.5. So P and Q in this problem are both 0.5. You see, what we have in this formula is, this would be the probability for a girl. Let's call it girl prob. And this would be the probability for a boy. Let's call it boy prob. All right? So that's what P and Q represent, the probability of each individual event. N and R, on the other hand, are total and favorable, respectively. Instead of calling R favorable, let's just call it the number of girls. So that's going to show up twice, once after the C in NCR, and once as the exponent on P. Girl probability and number of girls should go together right here. Boy probability and number of boys will go together here. N minus R would be the number of boys in this case. So for A, what's the probability that they'll have 5 girls and 1 boy? That's 6 total kids. We're going to choose to have 5 girls times the probability of a girl to the number of girl power times the probability of a boy to the number of boys power. Punching all that in from left to right on your calculator gives you an answer of 0.09375. Okay, next one. What's the probability that there will be at least 3 girls? For this, you're going to need to do the same thing we just did, but find the probability of 3 girls, and find the probability of 4 girls, and find the probability of 5 girls, and find the probability of 6 girls, and add them all together to get the total. So you'd basically follow the same process from A. We already know probability of 5 was 0.09375. But you would do the same thing with 3. This would be 6C3, 0.5 to the 3, 0.5 to the 3. That's the probability of 3 girls. You'd get an answer right here. That's for you to find. Then you do it again with 6C4, 0.5 to the 4, 0.5 to the 2. 4 girls, 2 boys. You'd get an answer, and you put it right there. Finally, you'd get a probability of all 6 girls. This should be pretty low. 6C6, 0.5 to the 6, 0.5 to the 0. 0 boys. You would get an answer right there, and add them all together. And go ahead and check that on your own. The total should be 0.065625. Sorry, no O. Let me rephrase that. 0.65625. That should be your answer for 2B. Good luck.